Welcome to Photoshop Lab. Let's start this by dragging our main image, resize it, Ctrl plus D, then convert it into black and white. Use Pen tool to select the subject. Then right-click, make selection. Add layer mask, then select the thumbnail of the image, then convert it into black and white. Ctrl plus T to resize. Hold Ctrl key, then select the thumbnail of the main subject. After that, select the layer mask of the second layer. Use brush tool to erase the parts that we don't need. Remember to set your foreground and background color into black and white. Ctrl plus D to remove selection. Add a new layer, clip it above the second layer. Use brush tool, set the foreground color into black to create the shadow effect for our arms or arm. Set blend mode into multiply or overlay, then reduce its opacity. Let me drag this image. Add layer mask, then Ctrl plus I to invert the mask of the layer. Use brush tool, then set the flow into 1 or 2. Then start brushing. Let me add another image for our background. Then add a gradient map. You can play around with the gradient setting, but you can always copy my color combination. And that's it. Thank you so much.